All right, happy week of watching. This is my movie watch list for the week of, what is today? Of 18 February 2025. So this coming week. Got 3 movies from the local public library. I'm walking back to my car. Sorry, the angle's a little different. I'm trying to hold 2 books under my arm. It's not really working. All right, so I'll stop, I guess. All right, up first, I got 21 Bridges. I do not know what year it is. I'll look it up. Let's see, per the DVD jacket, 2020. And then I got Serendipity, which is a romance and about kind of chance and stuff like that, him falling in love. And then a kind of a fun one I hadn't seen in a bit of time, of Willy, Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I think this falls into it's 1971 per the jacket. I'll look it up, but pre-1977 books and movies category. So, and I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle, and happy week of watching.